Hello, my name's Gary, one of the equipment specialists here at Cubro. Today I want to share with you the Silvalea in-situ sling. Have you got a client that has a complex seating system, or a client that after a transfer is difficult to get that sling out? Maybe you have a client with pressure injuries or skin integrity issues. With the Silvalea in-situ sling, it's made of a spacer fabric that's breathable and relieves pressure. The soft seams remove any pressure points, and the leg paddles with a nice silky material creates easy placement or removal. And added to that, with the removable tapes on the sling, saves them getting caught in the wheelchair or the wheelchair wheels. Contact us today with your client's specific needs, as these in-situ slings come in many styles and sizes.